Well, I had some hopes to get some more work done on this car this weekend, but it's not looking too promising these next couple days. If you guys are liking these videos that I'm posting, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, because then I can bring you guys more. So thanks, guys. Well, today we're looking into why it's not cranking now. I've removed the starter, and I've determined we've got a bad solenoid. Because look at, I shorted right out with the booster cables and nothing happens. That's pretty sweet. My. Well, we got a new starter today, but boy is this thing tiny. But I bet you it's got a lot more power than the other one does. Oh yeah, and one more thing I noticed. We got some leaky fuel here. That's pretty awesome. So, I hate to say it, but I don't know how well this stuff works. But we're gonna give it a shot because I'm not buying a new tank just yet. We just want to get this thing running for now. Okay, so if you guys watched my last video, you probably saw me pumping the crap out of this thing. And what do you know? She's still seized. So we got some more work to do. So I got this guy off here and all these linkages. Oh, these ones are all free. This one here is good and stiff. So I gotta work these guys free a little bit, and then we'll give her another shot. Look at that shiny starter down there. Ooh. Let's just test to see if she cranks. Oh, she's powerful. Sweet. Okay, let's see how big this hole is. Well, there we go. Well, that'll have to do for now. Sweet. Well, I started disconnecting a few things. Fuel line and various connectors and hoses. We're gonna pull her off and just see what's going on. Ooh, she is seized. Look at that. Nothing. Nope. Ooh. Time for our rebuild. Well, now that I've got the carburetor off, fuel line disconnected, I know I'm not really supposed to do this, but I want to see if there's any fuel that's flowing through that line. That's dangerous. Cool. Okay, so we're getting fuel. We just need to get this carb in check and then we should be good to go. Things are looking pretty good. Let that thing soak overnight in that oil. And we'll clean her up tomorrow and see if we can get her to move a bit.